Hey everyone, my name is Loon and welcome to these free trainings, and I'm going to show you guys on how guys can create landing pages, funnels, websites and to grow a business in order to get more leads, more sales, and I'm going to teach you guys on how to build up your own email list as well. And by using this free software, and it's called Systeme.io, and the reason why I create this free training is because I realized that a lot of people, a lot of my friends that didn't have the money to pay for the funnel software. And most people know about the funnel software could be a Clickfunnels. It's a $97 per month. So after testing out a few funnel software, and I found this Systeme.io is totally free and you guys can just use it. And yeah, so right now personally I'm a paid user of this Systeme.io, and you guys can just sign up through under my link. It's totally free, don't worry, and I bring you guys through step by steps. Is the button down below, go and register for it, and we are going to get started to create your first landing page, first funnels or a first website to get more leads and for your business. So are you excited about it? And yeah, if you are excited, so we are going to get started and just click the button down below and register for it, and I'm waiting you guys to see you on the next videos and have fun. Bye.